And here we are comparing three of the medias which we have received, and now we are comparing the Oxford plates and the media which provided by EO Labs, and again our competitor Medicinal, which the media they are using is BD. And there are some problem with this medicinal plates which is rarely contaminated because we have procured from their some of our clients, so that if you are not there are some contamination. If you never mind, we'll continue. And we have taken every organisms, almost 5 organisms we have taken. All are in 10 raised to 1 dilution. We have taken Staph aureus. Every organisms are 80 cc strains: Enterococcus faecalis, uh, Streptococcus pyogenes, Streptococcus agalactiae, and the Streptococcus pneumoniae. We'll start with Enterococcus faecalis. Here we will just compare the Oxoid plate with the EO Labs plates. You can see EO Labs plates having a lot of colonies compared to Oxoid, where the colonies are bigger than Oxoid. Here,
left side down.
this is the Oxoid plate, and here the EO Labs plate, and you can see clearly the EO Labs plates are having much better colonies compared to Oxoid, but at the same time, if you are seeing the lysis, it's almost the same. There are no much difference with these two medias. And again, we'll just compare with this medicinal plates with the media they are using is BD, and you can clearly differentiate these colonies because this is a really huge colony, and the media is very brown in color because it's already expired, and here the lysis is very clear. We can differentiate the beta lysis with a very clear hemolysis pattern. So hence we conclude that the medicinal plate is much better than the rest of our both EO Labs and Oxoid plates in Enterococcus faecalis. Again, there are huge differences with these two plates with medicinal plates in Staphylococcus aureus. Here in this condition also you can see the difference of the pattern of lysis here. First of all, we'll compare with EO Labs and Oxoid, where you can see this Oxoid plates are having more colonies. Oxoid plates are having more colonies compared to the EO Labs plates, and the colony size is almost same, and they are having very less. Both are having very less hemolysis pattern. But if you are comparing with the medicinal plates, which is our competitors' media, there are some contamination in this, but you can see the Staph aureus colonies are very large compared to the EO Labs and Oxoid. But the main difference is, if you are seeing the lysis, it's really different. It's clearly visible that the lysis is very pronounced for Staphylococcus aureus. So here also the medicinal plates scores much better hemolytic pattern than other plates. And again, here we will talk about the Streptococcus pyogenes, where we'll just compare this Oxoid and EO Labs. The Oxoid, this is Oxoid plate, and it has the colonies are very small compared to the EO Labs plates, but almost same quantity of colonies. But if you are comparing the hemolysis, Oxoid plate scores much better than EO Labs plates, where there are no much beta hemolysis, but in Oxoid plates it's clearly visible. But there is a problem in our competitors' plate, that there is only one colony of Pyogenes, but the colony is very big compared to both of the other plates. But yeah, you can see the hemolysis here also. But in Eolab's place, we could not find any uh, hemolytic pattern in Streptococcus pyogenes, which should be there in blood agar. And if you are comparing the agalactide, Streptococcus agalactide, we'll just compare this with oxoid. This is the Eolab's plate, and here it is the oxoid. You can see the colonies are very different. The size of the colony is much bigger in Eolabs, but the oxoid plates are having much less size and lesser colonies. And if you're talking against the medicinal place, again the colonies are small and there are less number of colonies compared to Eolabs. And here Eolabs plates are much better compared to other two plates.
I see. So okay.
And but the difference is in hemolysis. You can see oxoid plates are having much better hemolysis than the Eolabs plates. But anyway, the size of the colony is much better, so hence we'll conclude that this Eolabs plates are much better. And again, finally, we'll just check with this Streptococcus pneumoniae, where the alpha hemolysis is going on. And just check with the oxoid and Eolabs. This is the Eolabs plates, and it's clearly visible. The colonies are clearly visible than the oxoid plate. And you can see a dark alpha lysis here, but oxoid plates are having much lesser. It's very hard to believe that this is alpha or beta hemolysis. But in medicinal plate, you can see the colonies are much better. The colony size are much better, and there are a lot of colonies compared to other plates. And the alpha hemolysis is much visible here than the Eolabs plates. So for Streptococcus pneumoniae, the medicinal plates are much better than oxoid and Eolabs. Here our conclusion is, we are checking these 5 medias, we found that our competitor medicinal, the media they are using is BD, and their media scores much better than other two manufacturers. So we prefer the oxoid kind of lysis pattern, and the size and the number of colonies. And at the same time, in the UAE market also prefer the medicinal plates because of their the pattern of their lysis and the size of the colonies. That's it.